So guys, this is the video. Um, I just logged into Madam Becky's platform. She's a yeah. So I think on phone you have to play with this button to bring out this tab and maybe call it back in or something. So something like that. So basically, this is the platform. This is what you see. This is where you see your commission. This is where you see orders, and here is where you see scheduled orders. Probably a customer said bring this order on a particular date, and you probably scheduled it for that day. If that order is supposed to come up on that day, it will be noted here. So basically, all you have to do is come here to orders. Every time you log in, just come to orders. So there are 44 pending, right? I'm going to take an order as an example. I'm just going to use that particular order as example. So in cases where you know probably we are selling like six products and probably each person is handling three products each, all you have to do is come here and select the product so that you don't have to see. Let's say Madam Becky is responsible for vacuum sealer, and Madam Adequate is responsible for the Pixie Light 3 in 1, and what other products, and interchangeably like that. So you don't, Madam Becky doesn't need to see what do we call it now? Madam Becky doesn't need to start worrying herself about Madam Ade Peju's other information. Madam Adequate should worry about her own other information. So you can, maybe you want to attend to maybe 3D workload. Let's say 3D workload to start with. So I'll just select 3D workload and I'll click on search. So the moment I select 3D workload, only 3D with the workload orders we show. We are still running 3D workload to our sheets directly. I just created the form here. So let's take another product for example. Like I handed over the vacuum sealer to Madam Becky. So let's click on let's assume Madam Becky wants to use the platform and she wants to first attend to our vacuum sealer customers. So she'll just come here and click on search. So the moment she does this, hold on, orders for vacuum sealer pending. Yeah, sorry. You select the product vacuum sealer, you click on search, you go to the pending section. You can see that there are 20 orders for vacuum sealer in the pending section. So normally if you want to follow due process, right, if you want to follow due process, to be able to see this tab, if it is not showing on your phone, or just move this bar, just move it to the side, to this side. So this is Madam Becky's sheet. Only vacuum sealer will be seen. So same thing, if you want to see your own product and just call your customer, then you move on to the next sheet, you call the next customer, then you move on to the next sheet, you call the next customer. So basically, so Madam Becky wants to call this person now. Normally if you have to follow due process here, there are a lot of features here. Edit order. Let's say the customer, you can edit the order. Let's say the customer made a mistake address or phone number address or anything like that. Do you get? Confirm, the means we have called the customer, but instead of having to, the moment you select confirm now, this order will leave this pending section and come to confirmed. Do you get? But we don't need it because basically do we now have to go and say from confirmed again, we'll move to shipped, then we'll move to awaiting, then we'll move to delivered. Instead of doing that, from pending, if the customer is ready to receive, move it to awaiting. Just move it straight to awaiting. Do you get? So all this shipped, that one is logistics business. We have already our call has confirmed the order, so we don't need to start moving customers to confirm. That was, this awaiting means it is waiting to be delivered. So I'm going to take a product for example now. So let's say we call this customer. Let's say we've called this customer. What's his name? Let me reduce my screen size so I will not have to start scrolling. So Sylvester Santos. So all I will just do is I've called the customer, I have confirmed the order. I'll just click on copy. The moment I click on copy, it has already been copied. Let me show you what it looks like after being copied. Um, you can see the arrangement. So all you just copy and go. The moment you click on copy, just go straight to WhatsApp and paste. So once you have done that, just click on awaiting. You will see this order move to awaiting. select from agent, just select any, just click on save, and you will see it will move to awaiting. Let's watch. You see it has moved to awaiting. Orders here are orders that already they are already on Logiswift group. Do you get? So Madam Adepeju, when you have called a customer and you have moved the customer to awaiting, right? You send it to Madam Becky, although the order is already here. Do you get? The order is already here. You have moved the order to this. You have moved it to awaiting. You send it to Madam Becky. In the case where a customer says, cancel the order, I don't want it again, this is the button. Don't stress yourself. Cancel. If the customer is not not picking calls, just click on not picking calls. The moment you click on not picking calls, this interface pop ups. Dear Rita, that's the person's name. If you check the order I clicked, this one. So let's say Rita is not picking call. I'll just click on not picking calls. So dear Rita, we called you many times so we can deliver your vacuum sealer, but your number isn't going through. By default, it knows it inside the person's name and the person's product, the product the person ordered. Kindly reach us on. You can just edit it. Please kindly call us on. You just change this to your phone number. Change this to your, that's your business, that's your, the number you're using for the whole calls and confirming order. Just change it to that number, and then just add so we can deliver. The moment you send it, the moment you send this SMS, it automatically goes to that person. And see, this 1000 units here is our bulk SMS unit. 1000 naira is our bulk SMS unit. Do you get? So instead of now coming to the phone, sending text message, automatically from here you can send text message easily. No stress, no wahala. Do you get? So which buttons do you not have business with here? Edit order is only for if a customer made an address mistake, or there is an update to the address, or there is a phone number mistake. Confirmed, you don't have any business with this one. This confirmed, you don't have any business. Your call has confirmed the order. Awaiting is usually where all customers will go after a call has been used to confirm the customer's order. Shipped, you don't have any business with. This is Logiswift business. Schedule is when a customer, okay, let's say a customer this Rita now says bring it on today's Sunday. Let's say the customer says bring it on Wednesday. Just click on schedule, set the date. You can just come here, it will bring out the calendar. The customer says bring it on Tuesday or Wednesday, just click on Wednesday 2021. If there's any specific information that the customer added, just click on it and click save. The moment you click save, it will move to scheduled. Where is scheduled now? You can see it has been moved to scheduled. The day that this date is due, this this 1804. Okay, this is when we, I think this is when we, today is 1804. Okay, I think this is what I'm talking about. 20, sorry here. Deliver on, you can see comment, deliver on 2021 04 21. That's Wednesday. Do you get? So on that day, if you come to today's delivery, on that day the order will be here. So first things first, every day after calling our customers, let's come to today's delivery. Orders that have been scheduled will always appear here. Orders that have been scheduled will always appear in this place. They will always appear in this place. Do you understand? So let's say on that what I mean is that that particular order on that particular Wednesday will appear here. So it is our responsibility for us to check here on every day, so that we will not miss out on orders that have been scheduled for a particular day. I think from experience, only Lagos people are the ones that mostly schedule their orders. We do not allow schedule for other people because usually it's 3 to 5 days. So why are you scheduling? But in the case whereby somebody from outside Lagos state wants to schedule, we'll still come and check here. Meanwhile, we would have sent their product maybe 3 days earlier, so that probably it will meet with the date they said the customer should bring it. Do you understand now? So I'll go back to orders now. So edit order if a customer made mistake, confirmed we don't have any business here. Awaiting is where customer goes, all customers go after an order has been confirmed. Shipped, we don't have any business here. This is logistics business. Schedule, I just explained. A customer set a particular time and date. I am not ready, cancel. I'm not ready, please cancel the order. For one reason the order, cancel the order. Not picking calls, you already know what to do. Edit it, change it to your number. You don't have to start saying their role. You know, the name is there, the everything is there, the product is there. Just edit this last. Kindly reach out to us. Kindly call us now so that we can deliver, process your order and deliver to you. Something like that. So it is quite easy. What another button I don't want you to use is delete. Just move it to cancel. Once you have moved it to cancel, me I will come and check I will come and check the cancelled ones here and see and move to delete and eventually probably wipe everything. So from here now, let's say this one is already awaiting delivery, so I can change it to shipped, to copied, to schedule, to cancel, to not picking calls. I hope you get it now. Usually we should be careful of what where we send our customers, so that we will not send a customer that scheduled to awaiting, except except we have sent it to the group. That is in the case of Madam Becky now, except Madam Becky has sent it to group. That is when we are I mean an order that has been scheduled, that is under scheduled, sorry, that's under scheduled. We don't want to send it under awaiting by default, probably from when it was pending. We don't want to send it to we want to send it straight to awaiting. If a customer scheduled an order and you mistakenly go and select awaiting, and you mistakenly go and select awaiting, right, you can come here and change it back to scheduled. Do you get? And set a particular date. So if there is anything you need clarity on, let me know. Expenses, I don't think you have any business here. Inventory, okay, yes, we have business here to know what is left and what is not left, but I don't think I allowed access to this or anything like that. So orders is where we basically have business orders and today's delivery agent. If Madam Becky, during the time when we were still using self delivery agent, that was when this agent part was relevant, where we can easily you know which agent to select. Do you get? So this part is where we see our commission. For every delivered order, it has already been calculated. So for every delivered order here, you already know what your commission is and what you're getting. So basically, that about that. So move orders from pending to delivered. Sorry, move from pending to awaiting, from awaiting to delivered. So let's say another has been delivered. I can easily come here and click on delivered. The moment I click on delivered, it will automatically read commission for this person. The moment I click on delivered, it will automatically read commission for this person. That's in this case, this is Madam Becky. So delivered, then shipped. We don't have any business. This one should remain at zero. This one should also remain always at zero. Scheduled customer that wants it on a particular day. Cancelled customer that are not ready. Returned. I think Madam Becky knows about this, so you already know what to do. From awaiting, if a customer didn't speak or for some reasons the order didn't go through, let me see from where we get to see. There is no return button here. Hold on. Confirmed. Awaiting delivery. Schedule. Copy. If another was returned, let's just okay. Let's go to cancelled first. I think only an order that has been cancelled will be eligible for return. So let's say I move an order from here, or from awaiting to cancelled. Probably the order didn't go through. Probably after checking the dashboard, the order didn't go through. From awaiting to cancelled, then from cancelled we can always move it to return. You understand? So basically, that's that about that. And so that you will not be seeing orders that you have seen before. Basically, on a good day, you would know to the extent where you have called your customers. Let's say today's date is 18th, right? And orders that came in on the 18th. Let's do a search. Orders that came in today only. These are the ones that came in today only. But this time, I didn't select. It's comprised of all the, because I selected today only, and I didn't select which products do you get. So in most cases, you already know. You don't have to worry about the date. Just select your product. You know where you stopped from yesterday. And this time, I will not be responsible for saying the sheet has been updated. The order is coming directly from the website to this place. Before, it is me that used to copy the order information and send to that our Excel sheet. I will not be responsible this time. It is our responsibility to check from time to time, maybe every 3 hours, maybe every 4 hours, maybe every 5 hours. During work days, it should be every 3 hours. During weekends, probably every 4 hours or so. Whatever works for us, as long as all customers get called. So let's not worry ourselves about dates. Just select your product. If you are, if out of the product listed there, you are handling for, select your, for call your customers, forward to the appropriate person, and let the appropriate person. That's, I'm talking to Madam Adekweju. Forward to Madam Becky. Madam Becky will post on the group. Very easy. Very, very easy. Very easy. So if there is anything we still need clarity on, if there is anything we still need clarity on, it is, we can always search here. You can always ask me. So let's say we are looking for a particular order, and the order came from a particular state or something, or there's a mix up something. We can always come here and select orders from Castina, select the products, select orders from Castina. We can easily see the products. So I believe this should make work very easier for us. I That is what I do hope. So the old button I was talking about, let's say I didn't designate any products to anybody. I just said go and call all the customers on the sheet. Do you get? Um, so the moment I click on hold, let's say Madam Becky clicked on hold, right? Let's say Madam Becky clicked on hold. Look at what it says here: on hold by Becky Praise One. So when Madam Adequiju comes, she will not go and call this person. That is if I did not designate any product. But since I designated products, so everybody know where they are going, just come and select your products. After calling people on voltage, go to people on vacuum sealer. If you are, that's for Madam Becky. In the case of Madam Adequiju, after calling people for Lazy Mob Nigeria, go to people on the motion Pixie Light Motion 3, Pixie Light 3 in 1. So that's simple. That's simple. Call your customer. You know where you stopped calling yesterday. Continue from there today. It's very, very simple, very straightforward, and I hope it makes work easier for us. If there's any complaints, if there's anything we need to fix, you guys let me know. So that will be all.